welcome back to my YouTube. Again, it's been a while. So it's Saturday the 2nd of May, which is Truckfest Lincoln, first truck show of the year. So we're going. So we're just on the way to go and get the truck now, bright and early, because it is Saturday morning. Everyone else got there yesterday. So yeah, we'll see you at the unit. We've made it to the unit. We're going to jump in the truck, head over to Lincoln, meet the rest of the guys there. Also, this is the first time of me actually seeing the truck since the little bits of interior and the sound system and everything's been done. I'll show you more of that when we get there, because we are in a bit of a rush right now. So we've got the truck going, and we've even got our friend Sam driving the fast track there with his Unimog on the back, because Ben wanted it there. So anyways, we are going to shoot and we will see you guys when we get there.
That's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and alright.
So we finally made it to Truckfest, and of course the weather is so dry and dusty, so I've got my little bitch. I'm joking. I'm gonna help them getting all the dust off. We're not actually parking here, but because it's early, everyone is still hungover in bed, so we need to wait for them to get up to do a little reshuffle, and then once that's done, we can start enjoying the day. So while Ben's on cleaning the truck, I must show you what we've had done inside. Even though you've probably seen it on social media, today's the first time I've actually seen it in person properly. So let me just pan round in here and just show you the little bits that we've had done, because they look really nice. Starting with the door cards, lovely. We've had a new sound system put in. Speakers in here. Look at them, they look beautiful. This is the back wall that we've had done. Underbunk. Delivering loads on time. Then we had the guys from Head On Customs come and do the starlight roofing. That just looks incredible. So happy with that. And then you've got this cool little remote. Colour change, whatever colour you want. So I'm going to keep it pink for me.
Sorry.
This way.
Hold on, let me hold the camera behind.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Brilliant, thank you.
I know it's not. You want some stickers?
That my dad would kick off. Yeah, of course. Yeah. No, I'm holding the camera. Can we nick a sticker? Let's go.
Of course you can.
Go on, then.
Thank you.
That's when you remember who you are. Over there tomorrow when we're alright. That's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and alright. That's when you remember who you are. Over there tomorrow when we're alright. That's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and alright. That's when you remember who you are. Over there tomorrow when we're alright. That's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and alright. That's when you remember.
Shipping containers, anything I like. So I do a lot with that. So this trailer here has got a crane on the front.
This trailer right there,
Yeah. So this goes on the back of my Unimog, and then that
Goes on the back of what? That little truck?
Yes.
That little truck can pull that?
Yeah. That's
That
yeah.
Old truck?
Yeah,
Oh,
my
okay.
one. Yeah. So that goes with that.
Dave.
That is cool as. I didn't even know. Didn't even know. Chuffed to bits.
Loads of brownies. Loads of them.
It's day 2 of Truckfest, by the way.
Oh yeah, sorry, it's day 2 of Truckfest. Sorry we didn't get much footage yesterday. I was too busy. But it was a lovely day. Started raining at night. I went on the waltzes. and then I ended up in bed because I was so ill from the waltzers, to the point I felt really sick. I couldn't eat. So yeah, we're on today now. Saturday. We'll go home today.
Sunday.
Sunday today.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
What do you reckon to Dave's healing?
It's like nostalgic, innit?
Yeah.
I want someone.
It's what, autistic?
No.
Oh.
Well,
So natural.
he's more fucking ADHD.
I got fucking rugby tackled.
If I did that, she'd
What you
fucking
doing?
have-
She'll flip at me.
What are you doing?
I'm going to wake Shannon up. She's fucking late. It's middle of the day.
Just like, what's it, like 8 o'clock in the morning?
Alright, time to get everyone up. Shannon, it's time to wake up. To Shannon, trucker girl. Trucker girl, are you awake?
Go in and
I'm
say,
just waiting for the fuck off.
I could,
Am I safe to go in?
I could fart louder than that.
Shannon?
I'll have to watch out for pedestrians because they're all out now.
Yeah.
The show's open. We're not allowed to be moving now, but we are. Just put my hazards on. That'll do, won't it?
No, it fucking won't. What the fuck?
You said straight.
You're not straight anyway.
Well, I am. I'm straight to the back. Am I not
No.
straight?
No. Reverse a bit, right hand down.
Bit of left hand down.
No, right hand down. Just listen to
Left
me.
hand down.
Right hand down because we need to face that way a little bit. I've got to get the tractor in.
Oh, right, okay.
That'll do.
No.
Stop it!
Right.
That'll do.
No, come on. Just ignore
We've
him.
got to get the tractor in!
Right, get closer to Jodie. Look where Jodie is and get closer to her. No, we're not going on an angle.
Right, you're making it so fucking confusing.
No, you're fucking... Right. Right, now straighten up a bit. Yeah. It's very sick of it.
Yeah.
Right, so you're going to have a look in the trucking sounds.
Yeah, so they've done this fire engine and they've put not only a sound system in it, but I was going to swear there, really loud one, like really loud.
If you get divorced and then get married again, it's 90%. Anyway, joking aside.
Oh, lovely. So I think yesterday when we took a little ride on the golf buggy, we've broke it. So now the lads are having to try and push it on. It's got to go on sideways though. Fucking hell. Look at that, easy job. Look at that, that was easy.
Thank you very much.
What's wrong with it, Sam?
It won't start now.
Nathan broke it. We're all getting ready to go home now. We've had enough. You had enough, Ben? Fake trucker. You had enough? Sick of it. Right then guys, that is it for Truckfest Lincoln 2026. And I do this every time. I always say I'm going to do a video at Truckfest for YouTube, and then I end up having way too much fun and then not doing much filming. So yeah, I didn't really get that much. I do apologise, but I was having too much fun.
Well, the rigs have made it back safe. There's the fast track driver, look, what a man.